Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to create a bar graph in Google Sheet. Let's begin. Open your Google Sheets and click Spreadsheet or Document. And now see this. Select Product and Quantity. Example, go to Insert tab, Chart, and see the chart type. Click the drop down menu and change the chart style, column chart, combo chart, bar chart, line chart as you wish. Example, select bar chart. Okay, change, setup, customize, stacking, see this change quantity, product, data range, select change data range and show with row and columns. Okay, or back, press Ctrl J. Then customize chart style, select change the background color, font type, font style, chart border color, and click chart bar, fill, change the fill color, fill opacity, line dash type, etc. Type, sorry, line dash type. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and move on sheet. That's it.